like it. Actually, I'm really having fun because this is creating something very beautiful. Well, there's one thing about doing paint pours in Mixed Media Girls Studio. I have all the colors that you can imagine and lots of it. So I'm picking some colors that, I don't know, they may or may not go together, and worst case scenarios, I'll put a different color on top of it. Anyway, I'm just having fun and hopefully entertaining you for a few minutes during your day so that you can have a smile on your face and laugh at me a little bit for not knowing what I'm doing. All right, so let's get started. So I have some electric purple, a beautiful color, yellow. I can almost see this is one that I'm not going to want to tilt after I pour the paint on it, but I'm going to. And this is Merlot, not for drinking, just for pouring. Inside the cup, that looks really good. Now we're going to do some razzle dazzle. And the next controversial color is silver. I really don't know how that will go. I should give it a ghostly glitter. Here we go, guys. Right, there's that little ghostly silver threading throughout the picture. And the Merlot looks like chocolate. And I'm sure we're going to have a few cells developing as this settles down and dries. I like it. Actually, I'm really having fun because this is like creating something very beautiful, and getting to keep it after you're done. All right, so let's go in for a close-up after I take off my gloves. Okay, it's time for a close-up. I'm going to start with the upper right. I'll do a little angle to get the glare off of it. That's going to have some cells in there, I believe. And the upper left. Silver is really coming through. Almost looks blue. Quite a spectrum of colors. This is the lower left and the lower right. So the silver did come out sort of as a ghostly drift throughout the whole painting. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you another time. Have a great day.